gonna see how many ODE Willie's Funky Punch songs I can teach in just 10 minutes on the guitar. Our songs are really easy to learn, so I think I can get a lot done in that time, but we'll see. So I got a timer right here. I'll just set it to 10 minutes. Okay, it's going. Easiest song to learn is So Offended. It's just one chord, C. I'm so offended by everything today. Let's see what other songs are there. So then there's another easy one chord song is This Track Will Make You Quit Your Job. I don't remember exactly the name of this chord, but it's nicknamed the Hendrix chord because Jimi Hendrix used it a lot. So how you play it? 7th fret, A string, 6th fret, D string, 7th fret, G string, 8th fret, B string. Another song that uses that chord is Throckmorton. So that song starts off with a B7 to E, and then it goes back and forth from B7 to E. And each of the 4 stanzas is just those 2 chords. Steak and wine go together fine, like a stab and a grab, just mom and dad. And then it goes on to this chord. You're going to quickly learn that I don't really know the names of chords. I just remember how to play them. But you move on to this chord, which is the 3rd fret, low E string, 2nd fret, D string, 4th fret, G string, 3rd fret, B string. It's a jazz chord. Or blues, I don't really know which. But you play it here. They'll then never sing the sun, D minor. Oh, Throckmorton. I don't remember the name of this chord either, but you just play the D minor, you shift your ring finger over to the 2nd fret. Same shape as an A minor chord, but you just move one string down. And then you do your Hendrix chords. And then you move that around where the index finger starts on the 2nd fret, 4th fret, 2nd, 1st. And then it gets right back into the next stanza, which is back to B7 and E chord. Other songs, Return of the Mullet. The sad part is just the beginning of the song is just A minor and D minor. Mullets, where are you on the verge of death? And then halfway through, when it starts to sound happy, it's still A and D, but major. But wait, what if I could tell you? MacGyver had a mullet. MacGyver did have a mullet. Let's see. Okay, so Hayden's Walk Home. My mom's calling. What? Yeah. Okay, well, that wasted time. So, I'm leaving that in. So you have this chord. I don't remember what exactly it's called, but it sounds like this. So what you do is you 1st fret, A string, 2nd fret, D string, 3rd fret, G string. The skies are black, the stars are out, and Lucifer is all about. And then you shift it over to the 3rd fret. The children, they are so scared. Look, Jimmy the Great comes this way with a shiny big hand and his pink lip, and then you just go back and forth, and then when the song starts to sound happy, it's just the D and A chord. And then at one point I start playing a C major 7th, I think the chord is. It's like a C chord, but you lift up your index finger and you just have these two. And then at the end of the song, during the fallback, when we drop Hayden off at home, I'm at 5 minutes halfway through. It's a G chord and a C chord, and it's just back and forth from those two chords. Chuck Norris, oh, he's a fallback, right? For everything. What other? Ghost. So on the B string, you slide into the 7th fret, and then you do the 5th fret on the high E string, and then you go back and forth. 7th, 5th, 7th, 5th, and then on the high E string, 7th, 5th, B string, 7, and to end the song from the high E string 7th fret, you just slide up the neck. I don't think. Okay, so will the Salon accept me now is just an E, F chord, back and forth to the E and F, and then at A is when we go, I'm so scared, yes I fear, I am pulling out my hair, what will they think of me, what will they see, and you just go, and then the song ends where you just play the bass note, the root note of E and F, the low E string, and you just go back and forth. And that's it. What other songs are there? So, Moans of a Generation, I just grab a marker to slide. I don't remember exactly how I played this, but I only really focus on the high, the 3 high strings, E, B, and G, and I also slide around the 7th and 5th frets, so it's like... Yeah, that's like not exactly it, but something like that. What other songs are there? Oh, I was gonna say the Volcano song. But what is this? Because all those chords are right here, I really don't know the names of them. I got 2 minutes left. So what other songs are there? There's Yes, Reptiles. I don't play guitar on this track. Zach does, but it's such an easy song that I know how to play it. So you just strum the low E and the A string, and you do the first set. Open, first, second, first, open. You just go back and forth with that. And then I'm doing good. I got 1 minute. You do a bunch of hammer-ons and hammer-offs. So you, on the A string, you hammer on the first fret, and then low E string, hammer on the first fret, and then go back to A string. So you do that. So there's 1,